As you know, Christmas is around the corner and happiness is everywhere as our hands are busy with many tasks and the carols fill the air. Students, let's take a break as we make this beautiful aromatic Christmas table decor. So students, to make this table decor, we will need a basket or any container that you can present on the table. I am using floral foam or Oasis, which you will get at the florist shop. Some evergreen leaves or Christmas leaves. These students are leaves from our whole garden. Need oranges, some pine cones, cloves, cinnamon sticks and a toothpick. To make a table decor, I have taken a basket and I placed my floral foam in the basket. So you can secure it with glue gun or a string. I'm just placing it like this. Now let us take the leaves of our evergreen tree and poke it into the floral foam. Please watch carefully as I poke. And keep poking it around till it's nice and it's covering your edges. Adjust it wherever required. Now students, as you can see, we have covered the outer area of our basket. Now let us cover this foam as well. Now students, if you do not have a Christmas tree or evergreen tree leaves, you can use plastic greens as well to do this decoration. So students, as you can see, we have prepared our basket and it is almost covered in evergreen. Students, as I have told you, if you cannot find greens like this, fresh greens, you can surely make this arrangement with plastic. Your plastic greenery that you get, you can place it in the same way and it will last you for a longer period of time. Now I will teach you to make a pomander. To make the pomander, let's take an orange and a toothpick. Now you can make this pomander any design that you like. Like I have made a spiral one this way, a one with the star and some spirals on the sides, and a simple one like this. To make a pomander, students, it's very simple. You take your toothpick and keep pressing it gently into the orange. And you take your cloves. Now students, cloves are spices that will emit a beautiful fragrance once it is pierced into the orange. Now you all must be worried, this orange is going to go waste. Students, the cloves will not allow the orange to rot. It will last for a longer time and it will emit a beautiful fragrance into your homes. So now let's begin. You take your cloves and you pierce it into the holes that you have made with the help of a toothpick. Students, we keep piercing it into the orange like this. You can make the pomander. Now pomander emits fragrance. You can sit anywhere you want and happily take a break from your studies. I understand you all must be so busy with your academics. I want you to sit, take a break and make something special this Christmas season. Now I have done this side. I will show you. We will go across.
Making the pomander will hardly take you 10 to 15 minutes. So when you are on a break, please make it.
So students, I have pierced the cloves into the orange and I have my pomander ready. You can make different shapes and designs onto your pomander. Students, you can also get innovative and write your own names or your initial into the orange. Now, let's arrange a table piece. Here we have a ready basket which we had kept ready. And now, let's place our pomanders into the basket. Once you have placed it, now students, I am not piercing it in, I am just placing it like this in the basket. I have my pine cones which I will place it in the basket, just around it so it looks beautiful. Make sure you are covering up all the visible spaces. Now that I have placed my pines, if you feel you have some more pines and you want to poke it in, please place it. Students, I have not used glue as I want to keep it as natural as possible. I have used fresh greens, pines which are natural, cloves, oranges. So for this arrangement, I am avoiding a use of any glue or anything. Now we have a beautiful spice, cinnamon sticks. I will poke the cinnamon stick wherever there is space, so that cinnamon stick also adds up to the beauty of our arrangement. And again, we are keeping it very natural. Students, here we have a beautiful table piece ready. You can place it on your dining table so that it fills your homes with citrusy fragrance. Hope you have enjoyed the video. I will wait to see your pictures. Please click pictures and send it to your class teacher. Wishing you all a very Merry Christmas, my dears, and all the best for all that you do. Take care and stay safe, and a Merry Christmas!